I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file your personal income tax return. First, gather all necessary documents, such as your W-2 forms from employers and any 1099 forms for other income sources like interest or dividends. Also, collect records for potential deductions, like receipts for medical expenses or charitable donations. Having your Social Security number and last year's tax return readily available will streamline the process significantly. Next, you'll need to choose your filing method. You can either take the standard deduction, which is a set amount, or itemize your deductions if your eligible expenses exceed that amount. Carefully select your filing status, such as single, married filing jointly, or head of household, as this impacts your tax liability. Many people find tax software or a qualified professional helpful for ensuring accuracy and maximizing their return. Now it's time to complete your return. Input all your income details from your W-2s and 1099 into your tax form or software. Then, apply any deductions and credits you qualify for. These can significantly lower your tax bill. Before submitting, meticulously review every section of your return. Double-check all numbers, names, and Social Security numbers to prevent delays or issues with the IRS. Finally, file your return. You can submit it electronically, which is often faster, or mail a paper copy. Ensure it's filed before the deadline to avoid late penalties. If you owe taxes, make sure your payment is sent by the due date to prevent interest charges. And for a smarter home, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to this and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.